Hello everyone, my name is Timmy. This is a brief explanation on how I got this directional bias for sale on this gold chart last week. Now let's look at this market structure together. When the market created this high, then created this low, it was unable to break above. Then it did what? Came back here to sweep the inducement here to continue buying. So when the market was creating higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, but the market was unable to maintain this uptrend and did what? Closed below this on Friday. Closed below this on Friday. So what did I do next? I scaled down to the lower time frame. And look at what happened. So this is on 1 hour time frame. And what can I see on 1 hour time frame? You can see this was the break, this was the liquidities, this was the inducement that was swept for this market to continue buying. But the market was unable to do what? The market was unable to break this structure and maintain the uptrend. The moment it break this structure, the market did what? Break this low, which is confirming there is a market structure shift in the market. So what do we do next when we can see something like this? After this market structure shift, we look for our inducement, which this is our inducement. Then we look for our nearest point of interest, which is our breaker block. Then we do what? After this breaker block, we set our limit. Then you can see the market came back to this breaker block and triggered it. But the way I choose this my take profit, I chose the nearest liquidity. And do you know why I did? Maybe the market have triggered my point of interest here. I would have chosen this last low right here. But the market was unable to trigger. And if you can look at this pattern now, there is a market structure shift to the opposite side. But I didn't pay attention to this. You know why? Because I still have a point of interest here to be triggered at this place. So when the market triggered it and it's my take profit, my first TP, which is here, then the market created this high and created this low too. If you can go on the let's go on the lower time frame. You can see there is another block right here. The market bought from this other block. And break this high. The moment the market break this high, I confirm there is more buyers in the market. And what did I do next? I look for my continuation entry. And do you know why I look for the continuation entry? It was because I have confirmed my market structure shift, inducement, and entry from this point of interest, which is the next stage is my continuation entry. And how do I look for my continuation entry? I look for my double break of structure, which is confirming this double break structure. This is 1, this is 2. The moment the candle closed above, I look for my inducement, which this is my inducement. Then the market do it in and came back to my nearest point of interest and trigger this my entry. So that was how I was able to get these two trades. I hope you learned one or two things. Guys, subscribe to this channel and stay active. We are going to talk more about directional bias, market structure, and inducement point of interest. Thank you.